my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're gonna open my Gatling gun. Last time we have our X-Shot. Oh.
This one powerful gun. Kids, do not buy this one. This is for 14 years old.
Yeah, look at how
But
strong.
this one is okay for kids to use. Hey, focus on this one. So what do you have for this Gatling gun? It got a lot of bullets. Nice. This is also a good gun. Okay, let's try to open it.
Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox the machine gun. 3, 2, 1, go!
Remove mo lang. Just pull it out. Sige, hindi. Tanggalin mo yung tape. Remove the tape. Higitin mo lang. It will damage. Oh, okay na. What is that? That's the tripod. Okay, lapag mo lang. Then, this one, move it up. Now, remove the bullets. And unscrew this again. How you unscrew? Just you need to turn.
Turn up is.
Ayan, that's how you turn it to unscrew it. It needs some strength. So this is how it will be when we assemble it. Same air pocket technology. It has a tripod. And these are the pictures it has to motorized fire. Looks good.
Super.
Ready to open?
Yay!
Okay. This was the first one we opened. The rifle, Pacman's very powerful gun. Okay, start. Ready, Zorro? Ready, Batman? Let's go. Oh, open mo na.
Hello guys, we finally opened the box. We finally unboxed it. Look, it's a big Gatling gun.
Show mo. Wow, it's a huge one, huh? Wow. I think it needs some battery, right? Where's the scope? Where do you need to put the scope? Scope is there. I think the scope goes where? There? You know how to put it? Insert.
Wait.
Okay, later. I will help you.
This is what I did.
Okay, we'll do it later. Ito muna ibang parts i-show mo. Itong tripod. Tripod. Gupitin mo yung tripod na goma. Ito, you need to remove this one. And yung scissor.
Hello guys, we finally unboxed the box. So,
This is the gun. It's finally assembled. Wow, it looks good. This is a Gatling gun. Wow, it's look awesome. It has a scope also, huh? And look at the bullet. So how do you... this is the trigger. You need to press this one. Okay, let's try. We're gonna hit this
countdown.
this blue thing. Yes.
10,
10, 9, 8, pesto na. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh! Ayan na. Dig, 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 dig.